Cataract is a clouding of the normal human lens, which is clear when you're younger, and as you age, because of metabolic changes, it becomes cloudy or milky. Well, the vision gets worse and worse and worse. You usually start by, you have trouble, or you need more light to read by, and after a while you'll notice maybe you need to use a magnifying glass for smaller print. And eventually, oncoming headlights at night, you'll see a starburst, and that's from glare. Well, if you're saying what can it improve? Improve your whole quality of life. It allows you to do things you've done for a long time, because as your vision fails as cataracts develop, I mean, you can't do a lot of stuff, like driving at night, things like that. It's going to improve. And it probably improves, most of the people we work on are older, and as a result, they get less confident. They're afraid they're going to bump into something, hit something, whether in the car or whether they're walking. And so it improves their vision to function normally in life, and it improves their confidence in doing things that you did when you were younger.